easier to do the mapping with the Hibernate and the database than it's doing mapping between classes. So I prefer when I'm going to map something to the database instead of classes. It's always a nightmare.
So why is using Hibernate so much neater than this?
Is it annotations?
Oh yeah, we need annotations.
It must be the annotations.
That's 2009. So
yeah.
Let's just make a class and we annotate so the fields, this field maps to that field, and it uses transformers. And now this is generic code.
This should solve it.
This is 2010 code. Well, this is the future, man.
Maybe that's your opinion, but maybe you could talk about this example.
So this example is actually, it doesn't exist. It was just pulled up out of thin air, trying to be inventive and imaginative. But the idea is that you use annotations to map things. You have a little less runtime errors because you can't misspell bar, but you've got some runtime errors left. You will have some of the stuff being strings. And it's extremely magical, this sort of approach. So if something went wrong, where would you go to try and find out what went wrong? How would you know what the map field annotation, what that actually does? Navigating the code can often be pretty difficult, and it hides a lot of what's really going on. Are we thinking too complicated? Are we being too clever? Okay.
I think so, maybe. I want to look at another example. I like this the most. I tend to use this. It's just a simple adaptive pattern. Maybe you're familiar with this.